So let's suppose we have a list of numbers, and in this list we have few elements 10, 20, 30, 14 and 50. So, and we want to create a list where we would multiply this each of these numbers with 2. Okay, so let's call this new numbers, and we want to do it with the list comprehension. So in the list comprehension we have mainly three parts. First, we have an action. So action, then we have the second part, that is a source, and then we have the third part, and this third part is our condition. So the first is action, what we want to do. Second is the source, third is the condition. So let's look at this. In the first part we have the action. So what we want to do is we want to multiply each element by 2, and in the second is the source. Source is this number. So in the source we want to do the looping. So we say for number in numbers. Okay, now we'll go to the first part. This becomes our source. So let's copy this. This is the source. Then we want the action. So what is the action? We want to multiply each number with 2. So this is going to be our action, number multiply by 2. And then we have a condition, but in this one we do not have any condition, so we can say no condition. Okay, now if we print new numbers, we get the new list with the multiply by 2. So we have 10 multiplied by 2, and then 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. So this was our action and this was our source. Now what if we have a condition here? So let's put a condition here, and if the condition is, let's say, if number is greater than 20, so this becomes our condition. Now if we run this, we have 60, 80 and 100. So every time we do list comprehension, we have to look at these three things. What is the source, what is the action, and what is the condition? And if we follow this, we can do anything. Okay, and in the next one, we'll look into the different ways to do, list comprehension with a function, user-defined function, or some more conditions. All right, thank you.